Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I see something interesting. Let me see if I can go around and take a look at it. What do we think this is? What do we think this is? I'm waiting for traffic. I can see it bolts up to some kind of pipes. Oh, wait a minute, there's a guy there. What does it do? Yeah. You just transport it? You just transport it? Okay, yeah, the world can be like that. The trucker says he doesn't know what it does. It just transports it. So let me go around this side and get a closer look from behind. Control panels on this side. It's some kind of mixer. I don't know. It's some kind of mixer. I think it has 3 different things that can come in, and I think it mixes stuff. I like seeing the stuff in the parking lot here. Some of it's really interesting. Yeah. Same to you. Pathways Transport. PETTWAY''S. I'm just being nosy. You never know what you're going to see. You see, it's a custom piece of equipment. It's a custom piece of equipment, special purpose. My guess it's some kind of mixer for agricultural use. That's a guess. Okay, it's Thursday night. It's not even the weekend. Steve AB4L just being nosy, out here having fun, saying see you at 73.